Just want to show you some of the not problems, but some of the ways that Microsoft products, in trying to help you, probably hinder you more than they actually help. I've got a simple setup here. I've got a home page, a couple of pages linking off it, and I've got a couple of images. And the home page looks like this. There's home page. Let me just show you second page and third page. There's nothing on them. It just basically says my second page with a title of my second page and a header there. Third page is a repeat, nothing special about that. So all the action is here in the home page, and what this home page does is two things. It shows these two images, or it would like to show them, and it's got an image called computerinSide.jpg, and Microsoft is telling us here that the file explorer is telling us computer inside, and it's a JPEG image. And then it's got a second image called fan.jpg, which is up here. It tells us fan, and that's a JPEG image. Okay, that all seems to be working properly. And then if we have a look at the, there's a couple of links at the bottom here, a couple of hypertext links. And this is referring to a web page called secondpage.html, and the file explorer is telling us their second page, and it's a HTML page. That all seems to be in order. And then we've got a third link here, which is thirdpage.html. And the file explorer is telling us third page in HTML, so that should work absolutely fine. So let's go over here and let's go browse to that site. I'm working off the memory stick again. My debugging website. Let's click on home page and let's have a look. Okay, so the first thing we can see here is this home page you're looking at. First thing we can see is there's a problem here. The first image has worked, but the second image hasn't come up. Well, let's have a look at the links here. If I click on second page, that seems to work fine. Let's go back and click on the third page. That's broken as well, so there's something wrong there, and it's trying to find, it says here, my debugging site, thirdpage.html. Well, the file explorer, Microsoft's file explorer is telling me third page is there, thirdpage.html. Don't understand why that is working. Let's just have a look at, see if that will tell us there. Let's have a look at, sorry, just go over here. Let's have a look at page source just to check that it's doing what we think it's doing. Yep, it's definitely confirming what we've got written over here. It's saying computerinSide.jpg, fan.jpg. Those are the two images just here, and it's saying second page.html and third page.html. They're there. So what's going on? Well, the trouble is that Microsoft are trying to help you out, and they're basically saying anything that they think is a JPEG image, they, irrespective of what the ending is, they'll call it a JPEG image for you. And anything they think is a HTML image, irrespective of the exact ending, they'll also call HTML over here. And that's not what you want. You want to know the exact file names. Let's just close that down. So what I want to do is I'm going to go back to the directory, just here, to refresh up. There we are. Now, if you use something other than the Microsoft product, if you use Firefox or Google Chrome or any of these other products and actually browse to that directory, let's have a look at what's going on here. We've got homepage.html, which is over here. We've got secondpage.html, which is what we put in there. And now look here. This one is saved as thirdpage.htm. Now, Microsoft recognises both as valid HTML endings and goes ahead and tells you they are HTML documents, but that's not what you wanted. You wanted to know the exact ending here. So we need to change that third link there to HTML. That should work. Now, same idea here. You notice this image is called computerinSide.jpg, and Microsoft has identified it correctly as a JPEG image and told you that up here. And the second one is labelled fan.jpeg, which is also a JPEG image. If you notice, Microsoft has said that up here. But you didn't want to just be told that. You wanted to be given the actual names. So the second one, I need to change to fan.jpeg, and that should work. If I go over here, JPEG, that should work. So those two corrections should sort that out. If I Control S that, go back over here, click on home page now. First off, you can see both images now appear correctly. Second link works just like we said, and now the third link should also work. Have a go yourself, try breaking it, see what you can learn.